My name is Mackenzie Strofe, and today I'm going to teach you a 9 strategy for adding, subtracting, multiplying numbers. The first card in the deck is the Math Focus card, which talks about the purpose. And the purpose of this deck is to help exercise your brain, to build that brain muscle so that you get to be a more fluent math student. Each deck teaches a different skill, if you will, on what you do with the number 9. So the yellow deck is how to add 9 to a number. So when you're adding 9 to a number, you simply pretend that this is 10, and then you subtract 1, because 10 minus 1 is 9. So if you have 15 plus 10, it's 25, minus 1 is 24. At the back of each deck is a time card so that you can time yourself doing the yellow deck and record what your time was each day so that you can see how much faster you're getting. The blue deck is how to subtract 9 from a number. So again, we are going to pretend that this is a 10 and subtract 23 minus 10, which is 13. And now we're going to add back that 1 because 9 plus 1 is 10. The pink deck is multiplying a single digit number by 9. This is such a fun trick. So there are pictures on these cards to help you to understand. But essentially, when you are multiplying by 9, if you are doing 9 times 1, then you will put down your first finger, and 9 times 1 then would be 9, because there are 9 fingers on the other side of my finger that's put down. Another example would be 6 times 9. So I would put down my 6th finger, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on this side of my finger that's put down is 5, and on the other side is 4. So then the answer would be 54. And you can do that with any single digit number multiplied by 9. And again, there is a time card at the back so that you can time yourself to see how quick you are getting each day. And the last deck is multiplying a double digit number by 9. When you are multiplying a double digit number, you again will pretend that the 9 is 10, because multiplying and dividing, even adding and subtracting with the number 10 is easier. And then you just subtract the number itself, the very first number. So here we have 12, and if we pretend that's a 10, so 12 times 10, we have 120. And then if I subtract that extra 12 that I added in, then it's 108. Another example would be 18 times 9. So again, I'm going to pretend like this is 10. So what I'm doing then is taking 18 10 times instead of 9 times. So 18 times 10 is 180. Then if you take that extra 18 away, then you have 162. There is an answer card at the back of the deck, so if you get stuck, then you can look here to help you figure out the answer.